Someone I can always look up to as a friend and as a lover. A man after my own heart. I tried to get that from someone else, Femi. I really tried. But all the other men were all after my family's wealth. I am not ashamed to tell you that you are the only exception.
It is the one who wears the shoe that knows where it pinches.
10 million naira gone. Just like that.
Is that what you should be concerned about? Or the fact that our company's name is on the blacklist?
As a Christian of so many years, I expect you to know better.
In the blizzard of fun.
The EFCC?
Your joy and happiness. The blizzard. Blizzard. The blizzard.
The blizzard. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Sorry, my love. We have to do what we have to do.
Whatever is dark to man is clear to God.
Yes.
See, everything will be all right.
I know.
Let's pray.
You're such a team player, aren't you? I'm sure you're going to drop me in the middle of the ocean just to save yourself. You're such a snake. Gosh, this is unbelievable.